What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you crazy? Are you a crazy baby? You silly girl. Yes, you are. But you're pretty. What are you doing? What are you doing, crazy baby girl?
Are you eating your fingers?
I didn't forget about you.
Are you eating
I'm
your
sorry.
fingers? Hi, Morgan. Hi, beautiful.
What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing? It's okay, you can laugh. Oh, look, you're playing toesies. Yay! Hi.
Morgan. Morgan.
Hi.
You give us a smile.
What are you doing? Look, we found each other's feet.
This your first day of really cracking up.
You having a happy day?
All right, I'm gonna
It's a happy
down.
day, Katie.
say bye-bye, guys.
Those are Katie's.
Look at those babies.
She's got your toes too. Yes, you do. Look, you guys both have toes. Look, right there. There they are. Say hi, Katie. How are you? You're a happy girl.
All right.